Standard equation of a conic is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. A conic is the locus of points such that the ratio of the distance to a fixed point compared to the distance to a fixed line is a constant.
A is the distance from the center to the endpoints of the major axes, also known as the vertices. B is the distance from the center to the endpoints of the minor axes. C is the distance from the center to the focus.
The latus rectum is the width of the conic at the focus. The eccentricity tells the general shape of a conic. The equation for eccentricity is c over a.
The general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. A circle is a locus of points a fixed distance away from a fixed point. If you dissect a cone perpendicular to the height, the cross-section created is a circle. The center radius form of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h and k are the coordinates for the center. All radii are congruent in circles. The radius is perpendicular to any tangent line in a circle. The perpendicular bisector of a chord passes through the center of a circle. The eccentricity of any circle is 0.
The equation in standard form for an ellipse is ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. An ellipse is a locus of points, each of which has a sum of the undirected distances from two fixed points equal to the constant. If you cut a cone at an angle, the cross-section created is an ellipse. The general equation for an ellipse is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1, where h and k represent the coordinates of the center. In an ellipse, the a value is always larger than the b value, and a and b are interchangeable. The Pythagorean relationship is a squared equals b squared plus c squared, and the eccentricity is between 0 and 1.
The standard equation for a hyperbola is ax squared minus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. A hyperbola is a locus of points, each of which is the difference of distances from two fixed points equal to a constant. If you cut a double cone parallel to its height, the cross-section created is a hyperbola. The standard formula for a hyperbola is x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1, where h and k are the coordinates of the center. X minus h squared and y minus k squared are interchangeable. The Pythagorean relationship is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and the eccentricity of a hyperbola is greater than 1.
The standard equation of a parabola is ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. A parabola is a locus of points equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. If you cut a cone at an angle through the base and the side, the cross-section created is a parabola. The conic form of a parabola is x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k, where h and k are the coordinates of the center. P is the distance from the vertex to the focus and the vertex to the directrix. The position of the x minus h and the y minus k, which are interchangeable, and the sign of 4p determine the direction of the parabola. And the eccentricity of the parabola is equal to 1.